All right, here we go. Question number 13 from our 0314 homework number 5 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say solve. Don't forget to check. So what I've done over here in my workspace is I've copied this problem down twice. I'm going to demonstrate two different techniques and show you that there's more than one way to get the right answer. Okay, so the first technique I'm going to demonstrate, I like to call it the kill off the fraction technique. We're going to kill off the fractions and make this problem easier to work with. So the goal is to look at each denominator and give them whatever they need so that they all have the same stuff, okay? So the first denominator has a 4. He needs the 5 and the a, okay? Whatever I give to the bottom, I have to give to the top. The middle denominator has the 5. He needs the 4 and the a. And again, whatever I give to the bottom, I have to give to the top. And the last denominator has the a. He needs the 4 and the 5. And whatever I give to the bottom, I have to give to the top. So if you look at the denominators now, you're going to see that every denominator has a 4, a 5, and an a. And if all the denominators match, you can cancel them out. This only works with a rational equation, okay? If you can get all the denominators to match, you can effectively cancel them out. Now let's look what we've got. 1 times 5a is 5a. 4 times 4, that is 16a. And 1 times 4 times 5 makes 20. And then I can see LT. Notice how effective that was at getting rid of the fractions. Yeah. All right, 5 minus 16, that is negative 11a equals 20. And if I divide both sides by negative 11, we can see that a is going to be negative 20 over 11. And that's an improper fraction, and that's fine, okay, as long as it's reduced to lowest terms. Now, for the other technique, this is going to really involve using a calculator. I notice that the two fractions on the left-hand side, they don't have any variables. And so this is something that the calculator can handle very effectively. So I want to go ahead and do the 1/4 minus the 4/5. Again, like I said, the calculator does a wonderful job at that. So that is a negative 11/20 equals 1 over a. And the other thing that I happen to notice is that this fraction over here, the 1 over a, if I were to flip it over, that would make a over 1. But we know that anything over 1 is itself. So by flipping that fraction over, I can get it to where it says a equals, and then I'll be done, okay? But whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So if I flip the 1 over a, I also have to flip the negative 11 over 20. And that's going to be negative 20 over 11. Okay, so I might mention that this flipping both sides, it only works if you have a proportion. Okay, that means a fraction equal a fraction. 1 for 1. One fraction equal one fraction. Then you can flip both sides. And now if you compare these two answers, you'll notice that they are the same. So that's two techniques that both produce the same result. Okay, so now to check, negative 20 over 11. Bam. All right, man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.